Hello. Today, I want to tell you about my first time learning English seriously. Before this time, I studied English, but not very carefully. I learned some words in school. I did some exercises, but I did not practice every day. I did not speak much. I did not listen much, so my English was not good. I felt shy when I saw English. I felt nervous when I heard English. Sometimes I thought English is too difficult, so I stopped learning many times. But one day, something changed. I watched a video online. The video was simple. The speaker talked slowly. I could understand some parts. That made me feel happy. I thought, maybe I can learn English. That small moment gave me motivation. After that, I decided to try again. But this time, I wanted to be serious. I made a simple plan. I said to myself, I will learn English every day. Not too much. Just a little every day. On the first day, I felt excited. I opened a video and listened. At first, I did not understand everything, but I did not stop. I listened again and again. I repeated the sentences. My voice was not perfect, but I tried. On the second day, I learned some new words. I wrote them in a notebook. I read them many times. I tried to use them in simple sentences. It was not easy, but it was interesting. After a few days, I started to feel a small change. I could understand more words. I felt more confident, but not every day was easy. Some days, I felt tired. Some days, I did not want to study. I wanted to stop again. But this time, I told myself, just study a little. So I studied for 10 minutes, sometimes just 5 minutes. But I did not stop completely. That was important. Slowly, learning became a habit. Every day, I listened to English. Every day, I read something simple. Every day, I practiced speaking. Sometimes I spoke to myself. I said simple sentences like, I am eating. I am walking. I am learning English. It felt strange at first, but later, it felt normal. I also made mistakes. Many mistakes. Sometimes I said the wrong words. Sometimes I used wrong grammar. At first, I felt embarrassed. But then I understood something. Mistakes are part of learning. If I do not make mistakes, I cannot improve. So I stopped being afraid of mistakes. I just continued. After 1 month, I saw a big difference. I could understand simple videos. I could read short stories. I could say basic sentences. I felt very happy. It was not perfect, but it was progress. That gave me more motivation. I continued learning. I tried new methods. I watched videos. I listened to audio. I read simple books. I also tried to think in English. When I saw something, I tried to say its name in English. For example, when I saw a chair, I said chair in my mind. This helped me remember words faster. I also changed my environment. I followed English pages. I watched English content. English became part of my daily life, not just a subject. That made a big difference. After 3 months, I felt much more confident. I could understand conversations better. I could speak more easily. People could understand me. That made me very happy. One day, I had a short conversation in English. It was simple, but it was real. After that conversation, I felt very proud. I thought, I can really do this. That moment was very special. No, English is not something scary anymore. It is something interesting, something useful, something I enjoy. I still have a long way to go. My English is not perfect, but I am not afraid anymore because I know how to learn. I know that if I continue, I will improve. Looking back, I understand something important. Learning English is not about talent. It is about consistency. Small steps every day. That is the key. No, I want to say something to you. If you are learning English, do not give up. Do not wait for the perfect time. Start now. Start small. Just 10 minutes a day. Just one video. Just a few words. That is enough. And remember, it is okay to be slow. It is okay to make mistakes. What matters is that you continue, because one day you will look back and say, I improved. And that feeling is amazing. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope it gives you motivation. See you next time.